Hi, this is Doug Wyatt from Hydropool, and I'm here today to show you your new Hydropool hot tub and how to operate the keypad with the new XM Spa Pack. So now that you've purchased your Hydropool hot tub and you've got it in your backyard, the next thing you want to do is learn how to use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step you through the operation of the various functions on the keypad so that you can enjoy and relax. Okay, so let me introduce you to the keypad. The very first button on the top is where you control your light. So you have your northern lights package and your interior lights. So by simply pressing this key, it turns on your interior lights. Okay, now that we've turned on our lights, we want to be able to operate the pump so that we can enjoy some hydrotherapy and some back massage and leg massage. So by pressing the next three keys, you're turning on your pumps. So this one will turn on pump 1, this one will turn on pump 2, and this one will turn on pump 3. So now that you've got your Hydropool hot tub, if you've ordered it with the blower option or bubbler option, the next thing you want to do on how to operate that, by pressing this key here, which is your next key, then you have the blower symbol right here, and by pressing this key, you'll turn on the blower and enjoy that therapy. Now that you have your blower operational, we can focus in on using this keypad here to vary the intensity of the performance and the therapy on your legs. You can utilize this keypad to turn the unit on and off with this button. You can adjust the intensity manually by pressing this button to increase or decrease the intensity. Or if you want to do it automatically, you can simply press this button and it will do it for you. So now if you want to actually put your spa into standby mode to change the filter or eventually drain your hot tub, you simply press the next key, and then what that does is it brings you into the next menu system. The third key down from the top will put it in standby mode by simply pressing the key. As you can see, the top side control now indicates that you're in standby mode. By pressing the next key once again, you can go back to the main screen, and if I press pump 1, the unit will start to go into drain mode. So as you can see, it says drain in progress. Lastly, we want to be able to program the filter cycle. So in order to do that, we need to first press the program key, which is located in the top right of your keypad. Once you press that key, then you have from a selection on the menu, and you want to select the options key at the very bottom. Once you've done that, then you're into the programming mode where you can program various functions. So you want to select the top key where you're indicating on the spa. So on the very top is where you can do your filter cycle. So by pressing the button right beside it, you start to go into program your filter cycle. So on the first screen, you can indicate the time in the hour of day, and by utilizing this menu system here of keys, you can increase the start time in AM and PM. You use the center OK button to select, and then you can scroll over with the arrow key, and then you can select at what minute of that time as well. Once you press OK, then you go down to the bottom key to navigate to the next menu where you can talk about the duration or how long it's going to run in hours. So you can select any hours that you want. Typically anywhere between 3 to 4 hours is ideal. By pressing this key one more time, you can select the frequency or how many times the filter cycle will go during the day. So you can select anywhere from 1 to 4 times a day. And then once you press this key once more time, then you're done. The last option that's available with this hot tub and programming is the hydrotherapy program. So by pressing the program key, you go into the menu system and you can select therapy. By pressing this button, you go into the therapy menu, where you can now select between leg pain, back pain, diet, sport, and if you scroll on to the next screen, you can select between headache, insomnia, stress, and tonic. By pressing any one of these keys, it automatically goes into that therapy mode. This is Doug White from Hydropool. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you learned a lot. So remember to enjoy your hot tub and create time for what matters.